This is Rayo. This is how he relaxes. Isn't he cute? This is Diane's cat. And my nephew. He is just really so funny. He's giving me a little signal, I think, with his tail. Oh my goodness. Rayo, you are just too handsome. Yeah. I guess this is his little exercise before he goes to sleep. Now, I don't know if there's going to be any room for me because he's sleeping on my bed. He just keeps twirling his tail. Reminds me of when I used to be a twirler. Yep, that's a riot. You're really funny. I'm telling you, Rayo, you are hysterical. Yeah. Is this something new? I'm not sure. Okay. Okay, I guess he's just going to continue doing this the rest of the evening. But anyway, I think this is a riot. Okay, good night, Rayo. Good night, John boy.